I want to show you a really underutilized option that's within Google Drive apps. If I click here on New, you'll see that you've got the standard ones, Docs, Sheets and Slides. And if we go to More, we get the forms that we've been playing with a little bit today in the Google My Maps. Let's have a look at Google Drawings. Google Drawings is an actual setup where we can actually work and design and create drawings. It gives a lot more flexibility to be able to work in this environment than what you can just achieve in Google Docs. It's probably worthwhile reflecting that Google Slides is basically a whole lot of Google Drawings. But what we can do in this is there's some really nice tools for actually doing some interesting and organizing stuff. So what I want to do here is just show you quickly, insert image here. We will go in, we'll turn on the research tool, switch to images. I'm going to put PNG and winter, and I'm just going to put clip art in here, and that's some little tricks there which help you find clip art which doesn't have a background and for winter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab that one and drop that there on the screen. I'm going to grab this one and drop that there. Put that on the screen. Then I'm going to come in here and replace the word winter with summer. It's probably not the one I'm after. Let's try this one. Okay, so I've got that one there. Let's do spring. Okay, and obviously we're going to want autumn. Okay, put that there. So, why am I interested in this? There's nothing that I couldn't have done there in a lot of other ways, but it has some really nice tools. I just want to show you one aspect of it, and there's a lot more out there. I'll put some links to some interesting training. Let's say we walked in and we've got an activity with some junior students who have got these 4 pieces of clip art given to them, and that you can create this document and then share it to them. And then what you can do with it is you can get the students to actually rearrange it, so it actually helps us get an understanding of seasons. So what comes first? Well, let's say we have winter, which is followed by spring, which is followed by summer, which is followed by autumn. And notice how it's doing some automatic lineups so that can sort of help me get some things in there. And now I've placed those 4 items in there. I want to show you this one that I really like, which is called the curved connector. When I have the curved connector on and I come over any image, you see it gets these 4 purple dots. And what I can do is I can come here from that purple dot there, click on it, and drag it down to this purple dot. And what that basically has done now is that when I move this object, those 2 lines are now interconnected. Alright, so let's do that again. I'm going to go back to the curve connector and join from that dot to that one, and join in from that one to that one. That last one didn't work properly. That one to there. You can see that I know this one didn't work because it isn't fully connected up. So I'm just going to delete it, grab the curve connector and try again. That one to there. Now, that's a good little way to do it, but what I can now also do with it is I can grab this and hold down the Shift key to select the 4 of them. So I've clicked on all 4 there. I'm going to go, I would like that to actually become red, like it to become a lot thicker, and I can choose to put an arrow on the end of them so that I get to that idea of a circle. And so I would have been able to give the students the 4 images, and now by rearranging it, they've demonstrated an understanding of the way seasons work. Google Drawings is a really powerful way of helping students to be able to go from just doing text type stuff, which seems to be a standard thing that we do, especially when we use Google Apps, to move to graphical visual representations. And the nice thing is that all of these particular tools are also available within a document. You can go insert drawing, or in fact, if you come over to creating a new slide, you'll notice that in the taskbar up here, in the toolbar up here, we have curve connectors, we have a lot of these image tools, and basically we have a lot of pages of drawings if we wanted to. So hopefully that just gives you a taste for it. I'll give you some links to some better training, some more in-depth training on the way that you can use it, and a whole lot of templates that are really helpful.